Huge savings. You know, the interest on those credit cards and lines of credit are typically non-tax deductible and often have balloon payments. That's insane, especially when you can pull money out of your home, pay off credit cards and other debt, and even put some cash aside for home repairs, a new bathroom, or...
Sony. 48. NMLS ID 11712. Visit NMLSConsumerAccess.org.
So he has the clutch gene, but, you know, he's still trying to sort of figure it out. I thought yesterday, you know, the key step and the bottom...
George W. Bush started the president's emergency.
With a high of 59 at Pacifica with winds. With the Bay Area traffic and weather, I'm Megan Sapphire on the Black Information Network.
Your news at the sound of